Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful easy pattern for blanket, cardigan, jacket stitch pattern. Let us start. I am using a lightweight 3-ply wool, 3 mm, crochet hook, D3, ironing tape, 8 chains. Make a chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 chains we will need for the pattern. Continue 1 2 3 4 into 4th chain, make a double crochet and then continue work. Every stitch make one double crochet, make a double crochet in each stitch across, make a double crochet in the last stitch, double crochet in the last stitch. The second row, 2 chains and turn work in the same stitch, make one double crochet, skip 1 2 3 stitches in the 4th chain, make a double crochet 1, 2 3 4 5 and 6, double crochet 6 7, double crochet 7, skip 1 2 3 stitches in the next stitch, make one double crochet and continue work, skip 1 2 3 stitches in the next stitch, make a double crochet 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, double crochet 7, skip 1 2 3 stitches in the next stitch, make a double crochet, continue and follow the same work across. Okay, I have 4 group, 1 2 3 4. For one group we will need 8 stitches. Okay, here skip 1 2 3 stitches in the 3rd stitch, make one double crochet, two chains, turn work, make a double crochet and front post double crochet, front post double crochet, 2 front post double crochet in 3 stitches, make a chain 1, skip the next stitch in the next 3 stitches, make front post double crochet, this is the right side facing of this blanket pattern, make back post double crochet, and in the next stitches front post double crochet 3, in the next 3 stitches make front post double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch in the next 3 stitches, make front post double crochet, here right side facing this pattern, in the next double crochet stitch make back post double crochet, continue here the right side facing and this is the wrong side, follow the same work across in the next shell and this stitch, make back post double crochet, one double crochet in the last stitch. Here in the last stitch make a double crochet the pattern 1 2 row I have completed. Row 3, 2 chains and turn work in the same stitch, make a double crochet and in the middle space double crochet 7. 1 2 3 4 5 5 double crochet, 6 and 7 double crochet in the middle space, and in the next double crochet make front post double crochet. In the next middle chain 1 space make 7 double crochet, 1 2 3. In row 3 follow the same work, 7 double crochet in the middle space, 1 2 3 4 5 okay. In the next double crochet front post double crochet, continue and follow the same work in row 3. Okay, at the end of row 3 make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. For the pattern repeat and follow row 2 and 3, 2 chains turn work, in the next 3 stitches front post double crochet, row 4, front post double crochet 3 stitches, chain 1, skip the next stitch, in the next 3 stitches make front post double crochet, and here in this double crochet front post in the right side make back post double crochet, this is the right side facing. For the pattern of this repeat and follow row 3 and 4, continue work. For this blanket follow the same work. For this complete blanket pattern free pattern visit my website, link in the description box. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.